Hi guys, and another update for the Black Dragon trading robot, which I'm still using on my IC Markets account and Roboforex. I'm not going to do this update every day. I think today will be the last one that I do, unless something drastic happens, like it did yesterday actually. But more on that a little bit later. So here we are. This is the IC Markets account, which is running Black Dragon on gold, pound dollar, and Kiwi CAD. And as you can see, it's still in profit despite some losses, which brought us all the way back to where we started. And if you go to the history, you can see that it's making profits again. So it's made, let's see what the timing is on this. So let's go to custom period. So today it has made 200. So that's not bad. It's still morning, still 9:53 a.m. UK time. And if we look at how much it's made since Monday, which was the 8th, wasn't it? That's okay. Oh yes, 8th. Sorry, 8th. Let's put this 8th of the 8th in here. So since Monday, this is after the crash. So everything crashed on Friday, and we were left with around 600 left. But since Monday, so we've made another 500. So it's averaging around 2 to 300, I think, a day on the current settings. So this one is running 0.01, 0.01, 0.01 lots, all starting 0.01 lots. And as you know, it's a martingale system. So every time it goes a certain way away from your price, i.e. going against you, it opens another position at double the previous size. And obviously that very much eats into the margin. And let's have a look at the MyFX book. So MyFX book for this one, you can see it went up. We did almost doubled our account. In fact, more than doubled our account, because it got to 200 and August the 4th, we actually got up to 2,578 from an initial 600. No, that's not right. Sorry, that's not right, because that's including the extra deposit which I had to add in. But in terms of getting where we wanted to get to, actually just under halfway, just under double, sorry, our account. And then we lost a big chunk of that because of the non-farm payroll. And since then, for Monday, it's gone up here, and then Tuesday, it's up here. This shows a little bit low because there are currently some losses, which is quite normal in this type of trading. But let's swing back to the trade. So this is now the Black Dragon on my Roboforex. Now, what I had done was I put in another $1,000 and I upped the gold to 0.1. And so I'm going to show you that here, because I end up losing that money again. So far I've blown 2,000 on this. So what's it? The 8th was the Monday, and I said I put in $1,000, and then I upped the size. So you can see gold was 0.1, but it took some big losses, and it ended up wiping out my account again. So later on in the day, I had to put in another $1,000. And what happened was it was where was it? It was a huge run up, wasn't it? I think it was. Can't remember exactly, but I just remember it going against me, and I was thinking, is it going to hit? Is it going to hit the margin requirement? And it did. And it wiped out my account. But if I had put in another 1,000 before it crashed, it would have actually made 1,000 back. So it would have been a $1,000 trade, because it had been opening positions to such an extent. Actually, I think it was this one here. This. Let me just take this one off here. It was this run up here, and then you can see when it shot down. And on my other on the IC markets, it actually did close for a profit, but it just got a bit too high, too many sell trades and margin requirements, because I was trading at a much larger size. I thought that was really unfortunate. Let me show you what that looked like on my IC markets. So that was so you can see here. In fact, let me maximize it. It was this run up here. It was this run up here. It went up, and when this went down, it actually did close for a nice profit. You can see the profit. Can you see that? It says profit 93.38. I went to 10 times larger with the Roboforex. That would have made 930 if that had closed. And I think I was just really, really unlucky because obviously it moved, but it just moved after I had after the account had liquidated. So that was this bit here. Look, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and basically got up here, and then you see these sales. And these are the losses. This is where the margin requirements kicked in, and I end up losing all the account here. And it was just a shame because literally the bar afterwards, 15 minutes later, it shot down, and it would have closed off for 900, just almost $1,000. That would have been quite a nice boost to my account. But then, I've had to replenish the account, so now I've got 3,000 in here. And if we look at what's happened since, it's started to claw back, and I've wound it down to not 0.1 but 0.02 to start off on gold. And we have made some money already on this. So you see the balance is 1,265, so it's closed. It's done 265 in profit, but it's currently minus 185. So if I were to liquidate everything now, would have made $80. So let's see how this goes. You just have to run with these things and take a risk, because that's how it works with these high risk trading systems. You can make a lot, but you also lose a lot. Yeah, that's it for today's update. Obviously, if something major happens on this, I will report in, but otherwise I just want to focus and make some more videos on trading robot reviews. See you later. Bye.